King Charles appeared to be in high spirits today as he visited a Scottish sawmill which has bought tons of timber from the Balmoral Estate over 34 years. This was the monarch's second visit to the James Jones and Sons sawmill, in Aboyne, Aberdeenshire. The King toured the recently modernised facility to see how it has increased its production of construction timber as a renewable and recyclable building product. He thanked the marvellous workers for processing timber from Balmoral and asked about the price of it. And he even joked and said that he does not know whether he will be around for a further visit in another 24 years' time. Click here to join our WhatsApp community to be the first to receive news about the royal family. The sawmill opened in 1962 and primarily serves the Scottish market, but also exports to Australia and New Zealand. It was rebuilt in 1991, and Charles visited 8 years later when he was Prince of Wales, which some workers remembered. Company chairman Tom Bruce Jones, whose father welcomed Charles in 1999, replied back to the monarch and joked it was too expensive. Charles said, "Well done everybody, thank you very much for all the efforts you made. Thank you for dealing with some of the Balmoral timber. Whether I will be able to come back in another 24 years, I don't know if I will be around. I hadn't realized what an area you cover around the world. It depends on all the marvelous people who put so much into it." During his visit, King Charles was introduced to the site manager, primary processing manager and saw line operator at the 5-generation firm. He also unveiled a plaque commemorating the visit, which was made on site, and signed the visitor book.